distinguished colleagues, Mr. Speaker, the bill in question provides for a College of Education with its main campus in Abudu, another campus in Igwebe, and the third one in Afuze, to reflect the tripod of Edo State, the 3 senatorial districts. We have a lot to gain from this. I therefore urge my distinguished colleagues and the House that will waste little or no time to pass it, as it is all important.
Respected, distinguished, honorable members, I'm Honorable Ephraim Otagbe Arosele, representing the resplendent people of Igwebe. In coming up with these 3 colleges, it's a collegiate. One in Igwebe, one in Abudu, and one in Afuze. It's a bold step by the government and a step in the right direction. The one in Abudu is for primary education, and the one in Afuze is for physical education. Mr. Speaker, I wholeheartedly support this bill.
My name is Honorable Asoro Osadebame Roland. I represent Oriomo South constituency. Mr. Speaker, establishing College of Education in Edo State is a stimuli to encourage building of ideas. Secondly, this bill that seeks to establish College of Education in the 3 senatorial districts will help to create job opportunities for our timid population, youth population in that regard. It will be a catalyst for economic development in that area. This will also help to reduce rural-urban drift.
The education industry in Edo State is going to be highly sanitized, and it will then put Edo State as a model very soon for other states to come and copy. This bill is timely, considering the situation we find ourselves now around the world. So for me, this bill to establish the Edo State College of Education and for other purposes connected therewith, it helps to end poverty, it helps to ending hunger, it promotes health within our society, it provides equal access to good education for all Edo people, it promotes gender equality, it ensures sanitation, and clean Edo that we all hope for. So I'd like to add my voice in favor of this bill, and thereafter put the question that if we are all in support that this bill go through this second reading, please say ayes. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. This bill is hereby referred to the Committee on Education for proper scrutiny.